Greenwashing is the wrong end use of capital due to a plurality of definitions and maturity mismatches between long-term green investments and the short-term interest of investors. Or, simply put, the sums raised and earmarked for green purposes have to be utilized for the same. It calls for policy action to establish a framework that promotes the green finance ecosystem by fostering awareness through coordinated efforts involving all stakeholders. The issue is of critical importance. According to the government's preliminary estimates for the Paris Agreement, we would need at least $2.5 trillion at 214.15 prices to meet climate change actions between 2015 and 2030. The Reserve Bank of India is also working on a green taxonomy. M. Rajeshwar Rao said at the Business Standard BFSI Inside Summit in Mumbai on December 22nd last year that a formal definition of green finance along with a taxonomy is the need of the hour, as it would enable more precise tracking of finance flows to green sectors in India. This would help design effective policies, regulations, and institutional mechanisms to increase public and private investments. A taxonomy would also help banks and financial institutions in better assessing the climate risk in their loan portfolio, scaling up green and sustainable finance, and mitigating the risk of greenwashing. Rao said, "The central bank has sensitized the public, investors, and banks regarding the need, opportunities, and challenges of green finance through regular reports and other communications. For instance, in its annual report 2015-16, the RBI mentioned the findings of the G20 Green Finance Study Group on the need for the development of local green bond markets, facilitating cross-border investments in them, knowledge sharing on environmental risks, and improving overall green finance activities." The report further mentions the broader issues related to green finance that need future consideration. These include definitions of green activities, aspects of intellectual property rights in developing and transferring technology from developed countries, and environmental risk assessment by banks. A related issue in scaling up green finance is the availability of a robust ecosystem for third-party verification, impact assessment, and the green credentials of businesses and projects. It may be recalled that in the first fortnight of January, the Export-Import Bank of India raised $1 billion in green bonds priced at 190 basis points over the 10-year USD bill. The deal was the largest such issuance by an Indian entity. Right after came the maiden auction of the twin sovereign green bonds for a cumulative 8,000 crore rupees via 5 and 10-year papers. And the last week of February saw 244 crore rupees float in the same genre by the Indore Municipal Corporation, being oversubscribed 5.91 times and listed on the National Stock Exchange.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.
I am the blue of the limitless sky. I am the inspiration that led success soar high. I will achieve, I will fly high. I am the I in SBI.
I'm backed by the nation's trusted bank, SBI, the banker to every Indian.